Hey guys, welcome to my channel Encyo Com. In today's video, I'm gonna show you controlling Android by ADB part 2. Basically, in this tutorial, you will learn how to get control over any Android screen by using ADB. So let's start. Here you can see this zip file, which you have to download it from the link in the description box below. So now extract this zip file. I have already extracted it and pasted it in local disk C. You can see. Now search for CMD and open it as run as administrator. From the previous video, we have learned how to connect any Android using ADB. So we will use the same process to connect. So when it is connected, please remove the phone from the computer and just write cd scrcpy and again scrcpy.exe and hit enter. So you can see I can see the Android screen in my Windows PC, so I can control it. Now